Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step method to add your own logo to Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to personalize your store's look so it's unmistakably yours, whether you've already designed your logo or you're exploring free image options right inside Shopify. Customizing your store logo is one of the easiest ways to make your brand stand out and feel professional, so let's get your shop looking fantastic. Let's dive straight in. First things first, start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is your command center behind the scenes where you handle everything from products to orders. If you're already logged in, you'll see the dashboard right away. If not, just log in using your store credentials. Think of this page as your store's backstage pass, where all the magic happens before your customers see anything. Next, look to the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard and find the option that says Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This is the section where you manage your storefront's look and feel, from themes to blog posts. By clicking Online Store, you're telling Shopify, I want to change how my shop appears to visitors. It's a small but important step. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll spot a subsection called Theme. Click on Theme. The theme is essentially the outfit your store is wearing, and it controls the style and layout of almost everything your customers see. If you have just one theme, you'll see it right at the top. If you have more than one, just focus on the active one, usually listed as Current Theme. Now comes the fun part. Right next to your theme, you'll see a Customize button. Go ahead and click that. This brings up Shopify's theme editor, where you can tweak and adjust so many aspects of your store. Don't worry, these changes are easy to undo if you ever want to start over, so feel free to explore and try things. Here, look to the left side of the screen for a section called Theme Settings. It's usually at the bottom of the sidebar but can sometimes be a little hidden, so don't be afraid to scroll down if you don't see it immediately. Clicking Theme Settings unlocks the controls for your store's main design details, including colors, fonts, and most importantly for today, your logo. Now within Theme Settings, you'll find a tab labeled Logo and Favicon. The favicon, by the way, is that tiny icon that appears in browser tabs, so you can add a logo for both your storefront and your browser tab here. Click Logo and Favicon and you'll see options to upload an image. If you already have a logo on your computer, click the Select button. This will pop open a file browser so you can pick your logo image. Make sure your logo file is a good size. Something like a PNG with a transparent background usually works best. If your logo seems too big or too small when you upload it, don't worry. Shopify will usually offer resizing options so you can adjust it to fit just right. But if you don't have a logo yet, or you're just starting out and want something quick, there's also an Explore Free Images button. Click that and Shopify will show you a selection of free graphics that you can use for your store logo. It's a fantastic option if you're on a tight budget or just want to freshen up your look without spending hours on graphic design. And that's it. Your new logo will appear on your store, giving your brand that personalized touch that sets it apart. This step might take a few moments for the changes to save, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Just reload your storefront after a minute or two to confirm everything is looking perfect. If this walkthrough helped you out, I'd love for you to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into anything tricky. I'm here to help you make your business shine. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.